To create a Freegal account, visit theoceancountylibrary.org and go to the Books and More tab. Then, Digital Materials. Click on Freegal in the list of options. To create an account, click Login in the upper right-hand corner. You will then be prompted to enter your library card number. If this is the first time you are logging in, you will be prompted to enter your email address to receive email reminders. Once you have logged in, you will see Featured Items on the home screen. The Ocean County Library offers patrons 2 ways to listen to music: unlimited streaming, 24 hours a day. You can also download 3 songs a week. Run out of downloads for the week? Just add songs you want to your wish list. The Browse tab gives you even more ways to discover music. Browse by new arrivals, genres, playlists, and artists. Looking for music videos? Browse the music video section. Remember, music videos count as 2 downloads. Audiobooks are also available. Each track counts as a download, or you can stream the whole thing. Go to My Music to see your downloaded songs. You can also use the search box to search by artist, title, or album. Use Advanced Search for even more options. Don't forget, you get 3 downloads each week. Downloads reset every Monday. Downloaded songs are yours to keep and save to your device. You can also download the Freegal app to your mobile device to enjoy it on the go. Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.